Okay, here we go again, folks. It's Dennis Hudson at orangequant.com with your rat picks. You dirty wats out there, we're all just some rats trying to get some cheese. Now, we will be offering subscriptions, hopefully, this coming week. Today is Sunday, April 15, 2018. Tax day. I already got mine done way back. Hope you got yours done too. Otherwise, I hope it goes smoothly for you. And it's a beautiful day here in the sunny southwest of America. It's a little chilly out, but it's a robin's egg blue sky, and I love it. It'll get hot soon enough. Alright, before we get into the rat picks, let me give you this little warning, and don't blow this off, please. We take it seriously. It's not just some legalistic stuff. Trading is risky. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. If you're going to lose sleep over it, don't make the trade. Do your own due diligence. Check out the stock any way that you think is right. And always use stop losses. And as far as due diligence, one of the main things you want to do with us is check volumes and spreads before you make the trade. Now, we got 6 picks for you today, and as I said, we hope to be offering subscriptions this coming week, and you want to subscribe because that way you'll get the picks before the close on the day of the signal so you can get in. Right now, these are designed, the ones you're getting today, you would have entered on Friday, 2 days ago, and you would trade it and get out on Monday, alright? So, if you look at it on Monday, you may still be able to get in and you may not. Anyways, we may win or lose on these. We will see tomorrow, Monday. And here's the first 3 of the 6 rat picks. ACRX, NEPT, and IVT, ACRX, NEPT, IVTY. And I should explain the little analyst notes that we make on this, because I wanted you to see that. Pedestrian and outsize means, the model we have here is for compounding your account maybe 2-3% at a time. And you can see there's a PDF file on the webpage at orangequant.com. You can see what that kind of compounding can do for your account. Anyway, pedestrian and outsize for ACRX, which means, we looked at the last 10 signals on this, and they were probably running somewhere around 2 or 3%, somewhere around there, or maybe a little less than 2 sometimes. But there were a couple of outsized ones thrown in, which means, a much larger gain. I don't want to specify. Neptune, NEPT, very good, which means probably, as we were looking at it, the feeling was above 2%, well above 2%, probably running into the 4% range, sometimes 5%. That's based on the signal that we were getting. IVTY, IVT. It says uptrends work for this. What that means is, this uptrends work for this, is that it was probably a blue candle. I'm pretty sure it was a blue candle Friday. And that counts as an uptrend. I realize it's a micro uptrend, but that's what that means. The prices you see here are the Friday close. Fourth one on the list, iPhone. Very good, and it's outsized gains on this from the last roughly 10 signals we looked at. Especially when the signal appears on a blue candle. Now, iPhone had a recent reverse split. That's another thing that you want to worry about with these stocks. Reverse splits, RSs, forward splits, because they will trash a stock in a heartbeat. So, since that RS was recent, we kind of hope and expect that they won't be doing another one like Monday in the middle of the trade. Now, our last 2 picks, the last 2 rat picks, are Axum and Genpix. So we deal with Axum first. It's good. The gains look good. Some outsize in them. and it seems to favor big blues. So there was some kind of blue candle on Friday, or maybe on your chart it's a green candle, I wouldn't know. But it seems to favor big blues, and I don't know how big that was. The last one on the list is GenPix, GNPX, and it made me laugh, and it's going to make you laugh when you look at it. The IPO on this was the 29th of March 2018. It has been trading. It has about 11 days of trading under its belt. And I had to laugh because I couldn't figure out how it made our list when we did the scan with this algorithm. But the numbers don't lie, so it was on the list, and I decided to take a look at it, and actually I like the thing. So it's a seat of the pants play. We just don't have enough data, enough signals back there to look at. But if I had some available capital to throw at it, I probably would. But I'm kind of tied up in another trade right now. And by the way, I am not in any of the stocks that we have shown you. I don't plan to get in Monday. So it's all, I just want to be clear that this is not some kind of pumping type thing that we do here. We want to be very careful about that. If I'm ever in a stock that we're offering you here, I'll let you know. So quickly again, so you can write them down: ACRX, NEPT, IVTY, IFON, AXIMGNPX. Like I say, we either win or lose, but those are the statistics. Now, a quick little public service announcement. Won't take but a few seconds, and I want you to stay tuned. The reason I'm doing this is because I had a little problem back in the winter. I want you, because you are in a high-stress occupation, it means you're at high risk of this condition. I want you to go and get an ultrasound on your abdomen and checked for a AAA, abdominal aortic aneurysm. It's where your aorta develops a bubble in it and it could burst. You may be extremely healthy and eat right and exercise and all that. Don't be fooled. You can have a AAA. Go get checked, please. Alright, I'm Dennis Hudson at orangequant.com. Those are your rat picks. We'll see you later. And don't forget, put in your stop losses.